Hello again, here's a quick unboxing product review type thing on these Parkside gas soldering iron set. These are the ones from Lidl. So first up, it actually comes with some gas, which is nice, in its own little plastic box with some instructions. Don't know why you'd need them. So we've got adapters for the gas fill over here, cap, some solder, sponge, heat shield for using a blowtorch attachment. We've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 soldering iron attachments, plus the blowtorch nozzle. It does have a stand built into it. So let's chuck a tip in. There's my phone. Okay. Tip screws into that. Drops into there. Screws on there. I have filled it with gas already. There's the gas control. Wait for it to get warm. Don't know if you can hear that, but that does change the amount of gas coming out. There we go. That's pretty quick. Okay. So to start it, pull down on that, press the red button on top, and seems pretty well made, really. What was it, 15 or 20 quid? With enough gas to probably refill it 2 or 3 times. Nice. I'll be using it soon on the fix that I've got to do on a head torch. So I'll see how well it works then, but otherwise I'm quite impressed for the price. So yeah, if you like this, please like it, obviously, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. So I've had a chance to use this soldering iron now. It's Parkside WWS GLK9YO2. It did the job, but one thing I noticed, yeah, this tip came loose, although it is its first heat cycle, so not a major thing. And also the gas doesn't last that long. I had to refill it halfway through. I've done soldered the battery into this head torch. But yeah, it did the job. So what do you expect for 15 to 20 quid? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.